Yeah. Oh. Yo, 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 yo. Oh. Alpha, beta, here we go. Learn with ease and let it show.
This practical, which is a likely examination question, involves using triangular prism to take measurements, record data, and plot a graph. The solution will be carried out step by step for clarity. Let's get started. You have been provided with a drawing board, drawing sheets, thumb pins, optical pins, triangular prism, and other necessary apparatus. You need a pencil, a ruler, a set square, and a protractor for this experiment. With the aid of the thumb pins, fix the drawing sheet on the drawing board. Place the triangular glass prism on the paper, as shown in the diagram above. Draw its outline ABC. So we trace the outline of the triangular prism on the drawing sheet, as shown in this diagram. So we name here A, here B, and here C, as shown in the diagram. Draw a perpendicular to the side AC of the outline. So we are going to draw a perpendicular line to this outline. So we put the set square on the outline like this and draw a perpendicular which is 90 degrees to the outline. We extend the line to cut AC. And we are going to draw the incident ray at an angle of 20 degrees to the normal. We are going to measure 20 degrees from this normal. We put the baseline of the protractor on the perpendicular line and the point here on the point of intersection like this, and we measure 20 degrees from this direction. We then draw a straight line using the point of intersection here and this point. That is the incident ray. And we are going to fix two pins P and Q as shown in this diagram. So this is the angle of incidence and it's 20 degrees. So we indicate it on the drawing sheet and we fix two pins at P and Q as shown in the diagram. We then replace the triangular glass prism on its outline. Looking through the prism at side AB here, we are going to fix two pins at S and R so that the four pins appear to be in a straight line. So we are going to view through the glass from this side AB and make sure these two pins as viewed from AB are in a straight line. Then we put two other pins in that line. So now the two pins in the glass are in a straight line. So we put this pin in that line and we fix another pin in the line. So that the two pins outside the glass and the two pins in the glass appear to be in a straight line when viewed from this side. Remove the prism and pins. So this is P and this is Q as shown in the diagram. This point is S and this is R. And we are going to draw line SR to meet the glass outline. So we draw a straight line passing through the points S and R to meet the outline of the glass. And we are going to construct a perpendicular to line AB at the point of intersection between this line SR and AB. So we draw a perpendicular at this point using the set square. So this is 90 degrees to the outline. This is also 90 degrees to the outline. We have an angle here, E, as shown in the diagram. Produce the line PQ and RS to meet at H. So there should be a point H over here where these two lines meet. So we produce PQ and SR to meet over here. Let's call that point H, though it didn't appear in the diagram, but we have it in the instruction. And that angle is theta. And we are going to measure and record angles E and theta. And E is 18 degrees. Also, we measure angle theta. That is the baseline on this line, and we measure the angle from here till we meet this line. And angle theta is equal to 78 degrees. So we have the angle of incidence, which is 20 degrees, and angle E in degrees, and it's 18. Theta is also 78 degrees. So we have I in degrees, E in degrees, theta in degrees. We record all the values on the tabulation of results. And we are to calculate I plus E. I is 20, E is 18. So 20 plus 18 is 38 degrees. And we are going to repeat the experiment with an angle of incidence of 30 degrees, 40 degrees, 50 degrees, and then tabulate the result. We pick another drawing sheet and repeat the whole process with an angle of incidence of 30 degrees, record our E, theta, calculate I plus E. Repeat it for 40 degrees, 50 degrees on different sheets and tabulate the results. So we tabulate the results. We are going to plot a graph with theta as ordinate, that is the vertical axis, and I plus E as abscissa, that is the horizontal axis. We draw the vertical and horizontal axis, and we are plotting theta on the vertical axis and I plus E on the horizontal axis. So we choose a scale. We will choose a scale of 2 centimeters is to 10 degrees on theta axis. So we start from 0, we keep on adding 10 degrees. And we choose a scale of 2 centimeters is to 10 degrees on I plus E axis. So we start from 0, 10, 20, and so on. Each big box has 10 divisions. So 10 divided by 10 is equal to 1. So each small box is going to be 1. And this is going to guide us to plot the graph. The first point, we have 78 on the vertical axis. This is 70. We count 8 more boxes. 38 on the horizontal axis. 30, we count 8 more boxes. And they are going to meet here. The next point, we have 60 on the vertical axis. This is 60. And 60 on the horizontal axis is here. So they are going to meet here. We have 40 on the vertical axis. This is 40. And 80 on the horizontal axis. So they are going to meet here. The next point, we have 20 on the vertical axis. This is 20. And 100 on the horizontal axis. This is 100. So they will meet here. And we draw the line of best fit. Determine the slope and the intercept on the ordinates, that's the vertical axis. So we draw these horizontal and vertical lines. We name here A, here B, and here C. The slope is change in BC over change in AB. For change in BC, we have 90 here minus 30 degrees. And for change in AB, we have 30 minus 90. Remember, this is a negative slope. So we rather subtract the big number from the small one to get a negative number. 90 degrees minus 30 degrees is 60 degrees. And 30 degrees minus 90 degrees is negative 60 degrees. And when we divide, we get negative 1. That is the slope. And for the intercept on the ordinates, that is where the line of best fit cuts the vertical axis, we have 120 degrees. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more updates.
Yeah. Oh. Yo, 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 yo. Oh. Alpha, beta, here we go. Learn with ease and let it show. Step by step, we light the way. Success is just a click away. Subscribe for Alpha.